Video title: How to make a branch appointment when there's no formal system. 3 minutes. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate making a branch appointment when your service provider does not have a formal branch appointment system in place. This can be a little tricky, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together. When a company lacks a straightforward appointment setting system, interactions often pivot to using in-app chat, email, or phone support. It's essential to make the most of these available resources to ensure you receive the assistance you need when visiting a branch. Let's start with using the in-app chat option. First, open the mobile app provided by your service. Most companies have an app that helps manage your account and includes chat support. Find this feature, which is usually listed under Help or Support, in the app's main navigation. Once you've opened the chat, introduce yourself politely and provide any account details up front if required. Clearly express your need to visit the branch and your preference for a specific time slot. Although the representative might initially suggest solutions that don't require a visit to the branch, gently emphasize your need for an in-person appointment. Patience is key here. If the in-app chat does not meet your needs, the email support option can often be a useful alternative. Begin by composing a detailed request. Make sure to include your customer details, such as your account number or any identification that might help them locate your account swiftly. Explain why it's necessary for you to visit the branch and suggest your preferred dates and times. This can help the support staff accommodate your request more effectively. Keep an eye on your inbox and be prepared to follow up if you don't hear back in a couple of days. For those who prefer direct communication, calling customer support might be the way to go. Have all necessary information at hand before the call, your account number, recent transactions, or anything else relevant to your concern. Start the conversation by introducing yourself and mentioning that you'd like to visit a branch. Be clear about your availability and ask if there is a way to ensure someone will be available to assist you at the specified time. While on the call, remember to stay courteous and patient, as this can significantly improve the level of service you receive. Keep in mind that customers on paid plans might also have access to priority support or even direct calling options. If that's the case for you, take advantage of these features. They can provide quicker resolutions and sometimes direct access to set up an appointment. By strategically utilizing these communication channels, you can increase your chances of successfully scheduling a visit. Remember, politeness and patience can go a long way in achieving your goal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in your efforts to secure an appointment. If you have any additional tips or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section.